I welcome all of you on Yourpedia, and this video is related to the exam dates of HPCL and Airport Authority of India ATC. HPCL exam was expected and उसका date 23rd December को है. HPCL will be on 23rd December and Airport Authority has already given you tentative date on 27th December. So 23rd December, 27th December. Controller General Patent Design and Trademarking, that is Examiner Patent Design exam, still we do not have much awareness about that कि कब वो prelim करेंगे, but we are expecting that also. पहले इन दोनों exams का strategy. So many of you are preparing both for Airport Authority and HPCL. Now let me tell you that there are certain things which are common. Like जो common है आपका English हो गया, Quant हो गया, Reasoning हो गया, that obviously will be done. That will be taken care of in both the exams. बाकी obviously you people are to prepare physics separately for Airport Authority of India and technical for HPCL. ये दोनों अलग हैं. Now many students are calling and asking that should we cancel or should we focus only on one exam and you should avoid other exam or not. My answer to you is like you have more than 1 month for these exams. एक मंथ काफ़ी होता है strategically preparation करने के लिए. Many people clear the exams with only 1 month of preparation. So अगर आप प्रॉपर तरीके से तैयारी कर रहे हैं, HPCL का बहुत टाइम से एग्जाम चल रहा था, अगर आपका प्रिपरेशन अच्छा है, then you should go for both the exams. You should give both the exams because it is not only dependent upon the preparation. That day, if it is your day, you will do good in the examination hall. So अगर आपका प्रिपरेशन अच्छा है दोनों एग्जाम्स का, then you go for both the exams. But suppose you have recently started preparing for these exams and you are not very well prepared. Let us say Airport Authority में your preparation is not very good, but HPCL में you are preparing nicely. Then focus only on one exam. That is the most important thing you need to keep in mind. So if your preparation for both the exam is going okay, go for both. But if you are prepared very well for one and second you have not done good or you are not preparing very nicely, you can focus only on one exam. That can be the mantra, but largely I am inclined that you should go for both the exams, because exams, if you go with the light mind, if you don't go with the pressure to the examination hall, you tend to do good in the examination. So आप अपना preparation करें. It is 1 month. Time management, you have to stick to time management. You have to keep time for each subject separately. Prepare well so that you clear both the exams. So all the very best and keep preparing for these exams. They are good opportunities and I am very sure you will clear these exams. All the very best. Thank you.